at your place. Well, in today's SST class, we are going to know about chapter number 10, Walls Tell Stories. In this chapter, we are going to know about monuments of India. That is our national heritage. We will learn about the story of Golconda Fort. Children, now you will learn about this chapter through the PPT. Just have a look.
A very warm welcome to all the kids. I'm Hanupriya and I teach social studies. So let's start. Here, are you all ready to go to a new place which is called Golconda Fort? Let us know about directions of Golconda Fort through a map. Golconda Fort is situated in Hyderabad, which is located in south part of India. So let's know about Golconda Fort. Let's explore Golconda Fort. First is when Golconda Fort was built. Here you can see the answer. Golconda Fort was built in 1518 by Sultan Quli Qutb ul Mulk by Kakatiya dynasty. It was further strengthened by subsequent Qutb Shahi kings. Now the next question is why was Golconda Fort was built? The Golconda Fort was built to defend the western part of their kingdom, and the fort was built on the top of the granite hill. Now let's see why Golconda Fort is famous. For what reasons? Golconda Fort is famous for its diamond mines and as well as wall carvings. Golconda Fort has 8 gates, out of which the main gate is Fateh Darwaza or the Victory Gate. It has 87 bastions. Here bastio means fortification of fort, that means more security. Bastions were used for the soldiers and the holes were made for peeping out in case of any emergency. Well, this is all about the history of Golconda Fort. Now let's see how we can preserve our national heritage, because defacement and destruction of these monuments is an offense. So let's see how we can take care of these monuments. Well, we should not scratch or write anything on the wall of these monuments. We should not steal anything from these monuments. And if we see somebody else doing so, it's our duty to inform to the police or ASI. ASI is Archaeological Survey of India. And last one is not throwing waste and garbage in or near these monuments. This is all about the chapter Walls Tell Stories. So go through the chapter carefully, underline the difficult words. Thank you so much. Take care.